Hello, good morning. Time check 5:36 a.m. here in the Philippines. So now we early wake up because it's first this call of Inday, Inday here. Inday sleep and her sister also sleep. So now today is we holiday at school because Inday is already grade 1. First day of grade 1 is Inday now. But she still asleep. So now I cooking rice. So I saw you cooking rice. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.